From factories with many automated systems to the green junction boxes in your neighborhood, enclosures are used in many places. An electrical enclosure is a purpose-built box or cabinet designed to isolate electrical and electronic devices from their environment. They provide the required protection to keep operators and personnel safe from electrical shock hazards and keep devices protected from accidental damage due to exposures to environmental factors ranging such as sunlight, dust, water, and other foreign materials or objects. With the addition of cooling and/or heating devices, enclosures can also create a climate-controlled environment to protect devices from damage due to heat or condensation. Enclosures are a simple but necessary part of your automated application. Whether your components are outside or indoors, enclosures protect your components from damage and protect your personnel from injury. Enclosures are rated by two different standards. In North America, they're rated on the NEMA scale. NEMA is the National Electrical Manufacturers Association. Internationally, enclosures are rated by the IEC, the International Electrotechnical Commission, by IP codes or ingress protection ratings. These classify enclosures by the level of protection they offer. Neither group tests these products, but they establish the performance criteria for enclosures intended for specific environments. Enclosures come in a wide array of types, materials, and sizes to meet the many demands of customers. Common types include wall mounts, floor mounts, freestanding, junction boxes, and push-button enclosures. Enclosures are constructed with stainless or carbon steel, aluminum, fiberglass, polycarbonate, PVC, or thermoplastic ABS. At Automation Direct, we carry enclosures of all sizes, ratings, and prices to fit your budget. We carry quality name brands you can trust, including Out-of-Box, Hammond, Integra, Saginaw, Stalin, and Wegman. If you need help choosing the correct enclosure or learning more about thermal management, we have free downloadable white papers and ebooks to learn all about these topics. We also have free tech support, so if you have questions after purchase, we are here to help. For more information on the enclosures and accessories we carry, visit us today at AutomationDirect.com. Click here to learn more about our enclosure selections. Click here to see more videos.